Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley Ambrell. Girl, if you're new, make sure you sit still and get comfortable. Boy, if you're new, make sure you sit still and get comfortable and join the family because we're lit over here, period. So as you can tell by the title, I'll be doing a Amazon must-have home haul. So I'm super excited to show you all some of the pieces and things that I got from Amazon to, you know, help decorate my home. So if you're interested in seeing, you know, what I recommend from Amazon for your home, make sure you keep on watching and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Okay, first thing I want to show you guys is these, this hallway light. It's just a night light, not a hallway light, it's a night light. I just have it in my hallway and stuff, so really love it. It's sleek, it's black, super cute. Just plug it in and you're good to go. And you can also dim the light. So there's, you know, this thing here to adjust the light in and you can make it dim and all of that. So
okay, you guys, another thing I got were these picture lights that I have above my sectional sofa. So I got it in all black. Really love these picture lights. It just really adds more luxury to your place. And yeah, it just really pops these simple paintings that I have on my walls. So really, really love these picture lights. It does come with a remote clicker. So yeah. I don't know if it's, you know, showing up on camera because it is daytime and I do have like the recess lights on, but you can adjust the brightness. You can adjust the temperature if you want it more of a warm tone. This is more of like the yellow light. And I'll also just show it in the dark. I also need to replace the batteries, so it's kind of really, really dim because I do need to replace the batteries, so they are battery operated. But it just really elevates the look of the living room. So yeah, absolutely love the picture lights. So I'll have everything linked down below so you can shop, but yeah, it's really just on Amazon and these are the ones that I got. Just nice and sleek and black. Love them, obsessed. Okay, another thing I got from Amazon is actually this light in here. So I kind of just have it hidden in the greenery, in the plant, but these are super cool plant lights. Love them. So, you know, if you don't want to turn on your lights in your house, you have these. And it also comes with a remote. So yeah, you can dim it, make it bright. You can put a timer on it. Also with the lights, the picture lights, you can also time them as well. So yeah, super cool. And it just really sets a vibe at nighttime in your house, in your home. So, you know, have all the lights off and just the plant lights and then the picture lights. It's just a vibe and it's nice and warm and just like romantic and cozy. So really, really love these. And I think the plant lights just really like elevates your look. It just gives it more of like a classy, elegant type of feel. And yeah, and then it's cozy. So it's like you can't beat it. You have like this luxurious light and people won't know like where it's coming from. It just looks so sophisticated and modern. Love it, I'm obsessed. So I do have this olive tree in my living room and I also have a plant light in here as well. So I have two to set the vibe. Okay, so this is also another picture light that I got from Amazon in these two wall sconces. Absolutely obsessed, you guys. So I wanted to add just an elevated look to this part here for our entry doors. So yeah, I think this wall really makes a statement with the crown molding. So right now, these two wall sconces, let's talk about that since we already spoke about the picture lights. It's gold, like a gold hardware, and then this black. Love it. So you can just tap and it changes colors. You can also dim these lights as well because it does come with a remote, just like all the other lights. But yeah, you can just tap it. How freaking cute. And it just like really elevates the space, you guys. So obsessed. So obsessed. So the wall sconces is, you know, remote control and battery operated, as you all know. So this is really good because it seems like, you know, something that you'll have hardwired, but it's not. It's completely battery operated. You do have the option to, you know, get this hardwired and all of that, but didn't want to do that. Of course, wanted, you know, something that is sleek, nice, and have some light, but not get it, you know, hardwired, do anything with wiring. So yeah. So super inexpensive elevated look. This is the remote. So I turned off the recess lights so you can, you know, kind of just see it. how freaking cute, you guys. And again, you can adjust the tones. And you can also set this as well, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60, 120. So yeah, you can see that's dim, and this is at 100%. Love it. It's just such a great, sorry you guys, I'm gonna keep using the word elevated, sophisticated, and just modern and sleek, just because that is really what it is. I don't know any other words to describe it. So yeah, really love this. Super inexpensive way to just spruce up your home. For Amazon Find are these lights that you could put under your cabinet, your kitchen cabinet for light. It is motion censored, so really love this. This one actually fell off, so I'm not too happy about it, but I have another one under here. So I'll just insert a clip of it, you know, at nighttime, but really love these lights. Super inexpensive, you know, thing. I think it was only like 20 something dollars to, you know, have that overhead light in. So yeah. The only thing I would say with these, you guys, is that it is, you know, USB operated. It's not battery operated, so you do have to keep these charged all the time, which is something I'm not good at. I can barely charge my phone. So that is the only con about this, is that you do have to, you know, have it charged, the USB plugged up. So that is a con if you're not someone who's good at charging things, but honestly, I'm just not good at charging things, so that's why it's a con for me. But if you are on top of it, you'll have, you know, your overhead lighting. Okay guys, here is the next purchase. These chairs, not the table or anything else, but these chairs. Got these on Amazon for a really great deal. They're like this velvet, super comfortable. Love them. And then the legs are just like these wooden legs. Obsessed. They are just so cute. I love them. So we have an 8-piece dining room table. So wanted to definitely get some chairs. We were actually gonna go with the wishbone chairs, but I don't know, I think it was just like not practical. We wanted something practical for the space, something comfortable. So yeah, and also the price was just a way better deal, and we are all about shopping on a budget. So yeah, they're super comfortable. If you got something on it, you can just like wipe it off. Just like that suede velvet material. Obsessed. They were a really great price. Again, I'll have all the links down below. So yeah, really happy with how this, you know, dining room came together. Okay, you guys, another thing from Amazon are these curtains. They're like a wheat color, linen, pretty thick. They are blackout curtains. So I'm a vampire, so I love when it's dark. So I know I need shades like in the living room that's blackout curtains. So yeah, we actually got this when it was on sale too. So this was a pretty good deal. They're super, super long, a little too long, but it goes. Yeah, so pretty. They're darker, but on camera it's coming off a little washed out. So let me just see if I can turn the lights off or dim the lights a little bit. Yeah, so you can kind of see the true color. Yeah, super cute, you guys. Definitely check that description box because it'll have all the details. But yeah, love the color, love these curtains. So nice. Okay, you guys, another thing I got, I can't actually show you, but it is a shower caddy. It's black and sleek, really love it, and it's just easier. I feel like it's easier for me to maneuver through my shower with that, this specific shower caddy, and it fits a lot. I got 2, so yeah, I'm only using one just because I'm not someone who likes to use a lot of different products in the shower and stuff like that. And then my shower is kind of small, so I don't want to like cramp it up, but yeah, really love this. And I also have an iPad holder. I'm someone who kind of takes a long shower, but even if I don't, it's just like I love watching something in the shower, whether I'm watching YouTube, listening to church, whatever it is, like I need something in the shower. So this iPad holder is amazing, love it. I would literally put it in every shower if I, you know, could, but
yeah, I just think it's so nice, you know, just to be in the shower and, you know, washing up, and you can just like watch something and it's protected, it's waterproof, all of that. So yeah, I hope you all, you know, enjoyed this video. I know it was not really a lot of items, but still wanted to just show you guys some of my Amazon favorites that I've purchased for my home. Definitely probably would be purchasing more stuff. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe again. Let me know if you have any questions. All the links will be down below. And yeah, if you have questions, comment, you know, I talk back, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, thanks for watching.